All right, welcome back, everybody. Our next guests are from PHC Health to talk about recovering from common surgical procedures. Sarah Gassman-Schultz and Steve Renaud are here with more on how you can help on your road to recovery with various therapies and state-of-the-art treatment options. Guys, thanks so much for coming on the program. We do appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well, tell me a little about PHC, first of all. What do you guys do?
PHC, we're locally owned and operated, private home health agency, outpatient. We have home medical equipment.
That we supply the local type hospital beds, wheelchairs, ambulatory, bathroom safety, and other type items. And we have some with us here.
Yeah, Steve, tell me what you brought along, because this seems like some interesting stuff.
We have some BioFreeze, which is great for muscle aches and pains. Then we have a TENS unit, which is pretty unique because it's wireless. And a lot of the older TENS units had wires and could get tangled up and everything. So this was very nice for the lower back and takes care of that. We have a wrap, different type wraps for different parts of the body, but we have for the knee, ankle, shoulders, hot and cold packs that you put in the freezer or the microwave, and they will help your after surgery.
And then this thing looks like the Cadillac over
yeah, this
here.
is what they call a knee walker, and it is for non-weight bearing. When a surgery has been done on a foot or a broken foot or something like that, then it helps you get around instead of crutches. It's a crutch alternative.
Oh, there you go. No putting weight on it. Sounds like a pretty fantastic, novel thing. Tell me a little bit about how people can recovering from common surgical practices, such as like a knee replacement, something like that, can benefit from PHC and your services.
Well, nowadays, if you have surgery, you're going home quickly or you're going to a really short rehab stay. So now you like to rehab in your home. It's comfortable, it's effective. We have a very skilled team of occupational physical therapy nurses. Get you home, get you recovered. We assess your home for safety, provide the equipment that you might need, and then get you back on your feet. That's the whole goal.
So you guys go to people's houses. That's how this whole thing works.
This is. You get to come, you make a call from the hospital. They say, who would you like to have? You say PHC. We're there when you get home to help it be a comfortable transition. And then when you're not in the home anymore, we also have an outpatient clinic where they can come to us.
Okay, wonderful. So what can someone, coming from home, a joint replacement, when they finally get home, what can they expect?
Well, one thing is it's painful. I think people come out and all of a sudden, oh my goodness, but this too will pass. So if you know that you're coming home, you're going to have pain a few days, mobility's a little hard, but it's going to get better quickly, and all of a sudden you're back doing the things that you were doing before.
Sounds fantastic. How can patients access your services?
When a patient's being admitted to a hospital or going to a family physician, they can request PHC, and they will be accepted, and we can help them out with that.
Now, can anybody go into your showroom, I guess, and pick out some products that they may need as well?
Yes, they can. We have a lot of unique items.
I'm sure, definitely. Well, tell me about the staff there a little bit. Steve, you sell some of this stuff. You kind of market it towards that. So tell me about you guys and your staff over there and why people should choose you.
Well, everybody's specialized in their own areas. We have, continuing education and training on all our equipment and services. So
we have a unique group. They're certified in geriatrics, manual therapy, hand therapy. So it's this very skilled group, a certified wound care nurse, neuro certified. And so when you're coming, you're getting a team that's tailored to your need, and that is unique.
That is definitely unique. What are some of the main things that you guys are seeing right now? Is it that hip and joint replacement? Is that kind of the main business that you guys are seeing?
Well, a lot of that. We actually see also a lot of neurological, stroke and having brain injury, things like that. So we can do therapy for any type of injury or diagnosis.
And it's important to know that you don't have to go at this alone. With your help and you tailoring those needs and those specific services, it can really make the recovery process a lot easier.
It does, and when you're home, you already are traumatized by the whole thing. So if somebody's coming into your environment, you don't have to worry that you don't have your food, your comforts.
Right, fantastic. Now, where are you guys located, and how can we get more information about your business?
Well, our physical office is on James Island, and we service all the areas around, so you just call 762-3601 or 762-1177.
There you go, all the information on your screen right there. And we actually have a giveaway to tell you about right now. Be the first caller, 849-2535, for your chance to win a $100 gift certificate to PHC Health. To enter, you must be at least 18 years of age and live within the ABC News 4 viewing area. Again, that number to call right now, 849-2535, for your chance to win. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
we do
you for
appreciate
having
it.
us.
Check them out. Now, over to Tessa.